super saglit. Wala pa akong sa akin ng to pero sa post procedure. Hindi tarakan. Nabasa mo? May ihid dito.
I smile now. I'm trying to balance it. Gross. Ayun, tantay na to. Yay. How much po? It looks nice.
Lang saglit lang.
Okay, let's go.
Mission
What?
kind of girlfriend does that. Hindi
Does
nagtitira
what?
ng empanada. Anong klaseng girlfriend yun?
What kind of boyfriend doesn't watch or doesn't read the books that I like while I watch all of the boring episodes of Breaking Bad, of of The Boys, all the Marvel movies.
Hindi Marvel. Sabi niya.
Just kidding.
Ko lang.
So pretty, look. Someone joined me. Who is this guy? Kadiri.
Hello vlog. I just entered the scene. And here's my pristine queen.
Ano daw? Tignan mo to, ang baba ng view. Have to buy flowers. Here, this is the favorite. Charan! Ano favorite niya? Sunflower. Sabi mo, dapat kasi tinatanong na natin yung... Ay, hindi naman. ano yan eh.
You take yours.
All done. Walking to SM. Walk lang to the jeep. Show them, show them. Hmm? Now we're gonna change.
Ay, Porta.
No.
National Bookstore.
We're gonna change yung color ng cover because I hate it. It looks so tacky. Ew.
I'll trust her.
I'm gonna change it into white or baby pink or something.
Baby pink is nice para katuwa lang.
Let's make it
Complement
perfect.
the purple.
Sana.
Thank you po.
So this is the process. Here is the cello tape. Indonesia po. Made in Indonesia. Stop naman. Matigas pala siya. No?
That's what she said. New bracelet.
Diba?
Your what?
White pants. And then you just tape it like this.
Uy, lalagay pa niya sa base yan.
Dami pa. Maalis na mga.
Kawawa ang halaman. Finished product. Ay, wala na.
Hindi pa, wait lang.
Bunak.
Naayos
Shut
ko lang
up
kasi may
and
mga
dance
hindi
with the
nakikita.
Lord.
Tapos yun,
Finished
punta
product.
sila na nandun kami. And then, nag-hi-hi kami pati dun sa mga batang tinuturuan ko dati. Parang gano'n. Tapos, super saya si Ate Mia. Yan. Para akong grandma sa suit. Tapos may tao.
Made by Isa.
Aww, so cute.
Micro pimple.
So cute.
Anyway, nag-play na. She's so cute. You know, guys,
Cute.
I like her outfit today. She's very cute. I'm gonna marry this woman. Ha 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 ha. Miracle.
Binigay siya sa akin. Ano yan? What movie will we watch?
Devil Wears Prada 3, Return of the Evil Witch. That was good. Hindi pa tayo nakikita together.
We're gonna eat some cute.
Again.
Anong again?
Ay, kung pala. Matagal na pala. Hindi ko alam, sir. Sinasabi na ko. Sama din na lang. Ang gusto niya. Mas pinili pa rin.
Ilan na tayo? Just kidding. I'm sorry.
I'll eat my mango on the side. My life.
You'll be going there and eating mango ice cream. Yum!
Sarap na.
Dito pero parang wala.
Walang
Where are we going?
We're going to the Valley of the Breads.
The Valley of the breads of the valleys. And all the valleys and breads of the world is there in that valley. I could jump into the past, I would change
Forever
one
going back to you.
Running kasi yun.
Going back to you. Going back.
You ordered.
Are we playing first? Ginto rin tayo dun. Ginto rin tayo before yung sa ano, yung sa Smoke Bros. Diba ginto rin tayo ng Empire? Diba? Uy. Should I read it? Wait down. Should I
Oh, yun na naman. If a museum had an exhibit about you, what items would they put on display?
About you or for me?
You. Skateboard, bike, computer. Computer. Make them.
Hindi pa din
full
looks
of-
pa. Ay, may doon.
Maybe.
Thank you po.
Maybe yes.
Thank you.
Kasi sinasabi ko is kasi ganun ko agree.
Grabe ka.
Ako ano?
You, iPads, Joe Malone's, brown stuff, cute glasses, and doggies. Oh, and your
Brown,
boobs.
brown stuff. Yun.
Anything brown naman. Parang the cloth ng pag nakarap na sa monument is brown.
What's a character trait you hope you'd never pass down to your kids?
Pagiging corny ko.
That's okay. Ako very worse eh. I hope they don't mana how ingitera I am.
Hindi, tera, ikaw? Paano? Bakit? Sige, paano?
Like, at heart.
Ha?
I'm always ingitera at heart.
Kaya minsan napapagastos ka ganun?
Hindi naman, ano naman,
Ano na parang tao din?
parang lalo life, like life scenarios.
Lala?
Life scenario.
Ah, okay.
Hindi mo pinapakita ng maayos.
Kasi magdala like kaya pinaulit ko.
Parang life scenarios, ganun parang. I wish I could travel to like them. I wish I have peace like them. I wish I have a better family. I wish we could travel na ganito, ganyan. Ganun lang. Ganun lang yung independent ko tayo. Why? It's true. I hope they never,
No, they won't know.
I hope they never get that trait from me.
They won't.
Are you sure?
Lahat sila ganun to. Sila, I mean, apat.
Basta ikaw mabuntis.
Imagine we all had to start over on Mars and you're responsible for choosing who gets to be a part of Humanity 2.0. How would you decide who to accept?
People lang na I love.
Pero not
I
everyone,
voted anyone na hindi ko love. Ganun.
ako, parang, I were to put it in like a sense na parang ako yung magiging leader ng ano. I would, parang, siguro magpapa-exam ako.
What?
Para malaman ko kung anong klase pag-iisip nila. Parang yung exam na sinasuggest mo bago bumoto, parang gano'n. Parang gano'n, para makita ko, okay, ganito man. Tapos, hindi ko sabihin na hindi sila accepting, sabihin ko lang na iba lang yung parts at ibang part lang sila naman, pero tatapos naman sila.
Nice.
Ganun ako ka-cold.
Nice. Who's one influential figure you wish you could meet?
Sagot natin ito before eh.
Ang lahat alam na natin. How would you spend your time if you turned invisible for a week? I know you will.
I'll go to your place and tulog ko. Joke lang. Siguro siguro go all in, parang sightsee. Parang, kaya nga invisible ako, yung gabitin ko opportunity para sumakay lang sa bus na
Ay, oo. Ako din, parang ganun. Small stuff. Get foods. Pero, paano ko kaya siya kainin? Siguro ako foods.
kainin ko ganun. Na ang flip. Para magic ka. Have you ever felt differently about a person after you had dreamt about them?
Yes, I did. Hindi ko naman siya type. Kinanto ko na yun sa'yo.
Si Rafa?
No!
Sino?
Parang kaklase ko siya ng grade.
Siya.
Like, hindi ko siya gusto. Ay, hindi tayo may sa man kayo na yun. Ang napalipan ko lang nag-body nuts kami. Parang crush ko na siya. I don't know why.
Lovers na. Ay, ano yung naging lovers?
Kadiri.
Ako naman, sino naman pala ginip akong ganyan? Wala pa naman, ikaw lang minsan, pero parang dream started coming when we started parang talking, hindi yung parang before. Hindi ko naman napapaginipan yung masyado sila, mga ibang friends ko.
What's something you could do 5 years ago that you can't do today? Hopefully travel. Hopefully eat what I like and eat Brussels sprouts, tapos asparagus, tapos steak.
Why, you can't do that today?
Yes, kasi I don't have enough money to start.
Eh, di ba?
Years ago,
Apo, thank you.
yung ako ko nag-meant parang, thinking about, akala ko yung tanong parang I can't do today na I can do for the next 5 years.
Akala ko akong mali na nakintindi sa question, ikaw pala.
Sorry. Ikaw, ano?
Eh, yun yung COVID time, wala naman tayo magawa.
Then read more.
Na walang consequences the next day na you did that.
Yes, true.
Kasi you can't go.
One game.
Grabe yung bata kahapon. Kasi lang, kunyari,
Coach? Coach, you go first because you want it. Yabang mo. Bakit ang laki? Hindi tayo matatapos na. Yabang mo naman.
Jay-Z?
Si Daisy.
Jay-Z, rapper. Oh, galing ba doon?
Yabang mo kasi. Kasi
Timothy Shelby, mayaman siya galing.
hindi naman siya mayabang.
Hindi siya mayaman, ambitious lang siya eh.
Ambisyon ko iba yung sa mayabang.
Well, you have to have a little bit of arrogance.
So we're gonna play a game. This game is yung number na 1 to 10 and then we're gonna face it sa table downwards like that and then we're gonna hula kung alin yung number. Basta you understand what you watch us. You go chocolate. Basta first we chocolate tapos 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or something. 5 each. Hindi ako pipili ako last. Okay?
Wow.
Pwede ganyan. 2. Yep.
Yeah, okay.
Oo, ganyan na lang. Go. Me first. I think this is 1. Charot! Go. Ah. 2. 3. Oh, shit!
Alam ko na. Yun lang, gawa natin isa. Oh, bobo ka doon. Bobo ka.
1, 2, 3, 4. Ay, ano ko na?
Gusto ko na kanina. No, my...
1, 2, 3, stop. 4, 5, 6.
Bobo. 8 na naman yung isa.
Kaya mo.
2, 3, 4, 5. Dahil. Hindi ko ba nakita? No! Dami.
You go. You go. You go.
So this is 6. Yes!
5, 6, 7, 8.
9.
Post Mother's Day flowers again. From
Thank you po.
who? Empanada time. Pinalis na. Tingnan ba ito?
Ang pisa dalawa. Sana ka na ba? Hindi pa yung panagatan. Pero, pero ano to? Yung sa'yo. Medium.
Si Bill, kung tayo.
Balik yung. Oh, tara. Masarap naman. Mainit lang. 65 parang 60. Ano yung bukas? Okay. Tapos ano nag-viral? Mana ulit. Parang sinasabi niya sa ako. Ang ganda ka.
Kaya nga wala ka. Tingnan mo yung itsura niya. Marunong ko pero masarap.
Ay! Ito, gusto mo ikaw, ice cream? Ice cream? Dapat pa rin natin sa kanya. Napanood nga daw sa TV mo. Video natin.
Tsaka dalawang labang naman ang buhok mo. Sigurado masarap yung tulog mo. Oo nga. Mag-uurok-urok ka pa. Kakulay-kulay. Uwi na. Finally. Sana nga. Who is this guy? What are you doing here? You.